Today we are hosting a very special workshop at Fusion Point. The workshop is called Touch Data. So the objective is to explore new boundaries for data visualization. So we try to see how data can be emotional, how can we have a better control on the information. So we have some keynotes with great people who share their perspectives on data visualization. And then we are going to break out into workshops.
You have virtual reality, VR, where you can actually travel and project yourself inside the data. The other 3D technologies that allows you to visualize data in a new way is 3D printing, where you can actually hold the data in your hands.
DataViz Collective is a group of people that we're trying to bring a multidisciplinary approach to data visualization, because only through that you can get to the main core of what is behind data, which is normally human behavior.
Domestic Data Streamers is a consultancy film based on strategic communication. So what it's trying to do is creating meaningful connections between information and people in many fields. The actual knowledge or the behavior that you could get in a big data, you have to compare it with, we call it thick data, that it's about human behavior, human wishes, and emotional data.
By stepping out of the virtual scene and really printing data in a 3D model, you get a very different understanding because you can touch it and you have this haptical feedback that you do not have in a virtual space.
One of the applications that we, as the automotive industry, can benefit from is to see a car and every single part of the car from different perspectives and manipulate this perspective to see if there are some issues on some parts of the car or not.
I think it's remarkable that Esade manages to bring together people from different expertises from outside Esade, bring them here to Fusion Point and offer them students and third parties also to come here, interact and really explore a topic from different angles.